The Rolls-Royce Phantom is the epitome of automotive luxury, elegance, and presence. It isn't just a car, it's a statement of ultimate prestige and craftsmanship. From the moment you lay eyes on the Phantom, its design commands respect. The front grille, inspired by classic Greek architecture, stands tall and proud, flanked by laser-cut headlights that offer a sleek modern contrast to the car's imposing body. The spirit of ecstasy proudly rises from the hood, signifying over a century of motoring heritage. The Phantom's long wheelbase and floating lines give it an unmistakably regal appearance. Chrome detailing and 21 or 22-inch wheels complete the timeless silhouette, making it instantly recognizable on any road. Step inside the Phantom, and you enter a sanctuary of luxury. The cabin is handcrafted using only the finest materials: rich leather, open-pore wood veneers, and polished metal accents. Everything you touch feels bespoke. The famous Starlight headliner is a masterpiece in itself, simulating a night sky with hundreds of fiber optic lights, customizable to replicate any constellation. Rear seat comfort is unparalleled with lounge-style seating, massaging functions, and even the option for a rear seat champagne cooler and retractable picnic tables. The Phantom is more than transportation. It's a private suite on wheels. Sound insulation is so advanced that it's often referred to as the world's quietest car, ensuring every journey is serene. Performance-wise, the Rolls-Royce Phantom is as impressive under the hood as it is inside. It's powered by a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine that produces 563 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque. Despite its size and weight, the Phantom accelerates from 0 to 60 mph in just about 5.1 seconds. The power delivery is incredibly smooth, and the 8-speed automatic transmission shifts almost imperceptibly. But the real highlight is the ride quality. The Phantom uses Rolls-Royce's proprietary Magic Carpet Ride suspension system, which constantly adapts to road conditions using cameras that scan the road ahead. The result is a drive so smooth it feels like the car is gliding over the pavement. Technology is subtly integrated, maintaining the minimalist elegance of the interior. A hidden infotainment screen rises silently from the dashboard, offering navigation, audio, and vehicle settings. Passengers in the rear get their own infotainment screens, controlled through touch or a rotary dial. The Phantom also includes cutting-edge driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, night vision, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. As for pricing, the Rolls-Royce Phantom starts at around $475,000, but most models on the road are highly customized and typically cost well over $550,000. Buyers can choose from thousands of bespoke options, from custom embroidery and unique paint colors to personalized interior trims and even commissioned artwork in the dashboard's gallery space. In essence, the Rolls-Royce Phantom is not just a luxury car, it's a personal masterpiece. Every detail is crafted to perfection. Every ride is an experience, and every owner becomes part of an elite tradition of automotive excellence.